You know, for someone that says, I'm not a big fan of Beatles, I sure do a hell of a lot of Beatles songs. Twists and Shouts. This one was actually, I was watching the La Bamba video, and I was trying to figure out how he was doing that chord. If you guys aren't on the Google Plus page yet, get on there. There's so many people that post so many good videos on there. You know what? There's so much stuff to learn. So go check it out. Google Plus, just search up Seagull Merlin. But so I'm trying to figure out that one chord he's doing in La Bamba. And I came across this, which is 1, 2, 3. I'm like, wait a minute, that's something else. And then all of a sudden I had it. Mind you, we never actually do that chord in the song, but we do variations of it in that A run-up. So let's get right into it. So I believe the song starts with the solo done as an intro. I'm trying to remember, I used to play this a long time ago. But I've been doing it with just the A run up. So basically, you got in here, you got your A, you've got your G, you got your D. That's it. Just different voicings throughout the song. So this run up, I start with my thumb, you can use your finger, but only playing the 2 bottom strings. And then you put your finger on your 2nd string on the 2nd fret. Still playing only the 2 strings. And then your A, open, or not open, but your normal A, and then on the 3rd fret, on the 1st string. And then we go into the D, G, that's your A, with the 3rd, D, G. So used to playing this fast. A, G, D, G, A, just the last time we changed the voicings. Pretty straightforward. There's straight strumming on this song, a lot of fast changes, but straightforward. Let's see if I can explain those chords as we go. A, D, G, A, D, G, A, G, D, G, A, D, G, A, G, D, G, A. Yeah, it's fast changes. I can't. Just watch it. You'll see my fingers moving. The solo. So there's more to the solo than I showed you at the beginning. Melody's the same, but you can add chords to it. So if you're just doing a basic 1-string solo, that's not 5-3. I'm still on guitar time here. Open 3, 5, 4. Open 2, 3, 2. Open. And this also works on a high string. And then to end it, is you're on the 2nd fret, bring it back to your 1st, and you go into the A run. Okay, so to make it even more complicated, the chording behind the solo. Open. Open, G bar, and then G with your 5th, A bar, normal A, open. That's it. I think we're on a British theme today. Rolling Stone. Beatles. What else I got? I got a bunch I want to do today. I got some Australian. We got, I don't know where he's from. Probably, I think he's from California. So American. I have to get a Canadian song in here too. I'm doing a 101 and I'm Canadian, so that's a Canadian song. Alright, that's it. We'll see you guys on the next one. Practice, patience, have fun.